Are you tired of the frustrating blur, the constant squinting, and that perpetual film over your vision? It's not just a nuisance, it's stealing your independence, blurring your favorite faces, and making everyday tasks feel like a struggle. Forget expensive drops, complicated surgeries, or endless trips to the eye doctor that leave you feeling more frustrated than ever. A groundbreaking discovery, ignored by the mainstream, reveals a shockingly simple, 20-cent secret that can literally detoxify your eyes and revitalize your vision, starting today. This isn't just about clearer sight. It's about reclaiming your life, your sharpness, and your world in vivid detail again. You absolutely need to hear this before you spend another dollar on solutions that just mask the real problem. You won't want to miss the final habit, or 99% will miss the last tip and will be stuck with cloudy, blurred vision for life. Imagine waking up, and the world snaps into crystal clear focus without a second thought. That fuzzy haze, the structural collapse of the delicate lens within your eye that traditional medicine barely addresses, isn't a life sentence. We've been taught to accept declining vision as an inevitable part of aging, but that narrative is a lie designed to keep you trapped in a cycle of temporary fixes. There's a hidden, potent solution right under our noses, ready to revolutionize how you see everything. It tackles the very root cause of cloudy vision. For too long, the true enemy of clear vision has been overlooked: accumulated cellular waste and the gradual degradation of your lens's intricate structure, which essentially builds up toxins over time, making your world dim and blurry. This isn't just a metaphor. These are microscopic cellular debris and oxidative damage literally clouding your internal lens. The average eye drop offers temporary lubrication at best, doing nothing to flush out this deeply embedded grime or repair the collapsing structure that causes your blur. That's why your vision continues to worsen. But what if I told you there was a way to actively sweep away this ocular junk and rejuvenate your lens's integrity, cheaply and naturally? This isn't science fiction. It's a powerful, easily accessible seed, so common it's often dismissed as ordinary, yet its impact on eye health is anything but. It acts like a tiny biological scrub brush, systematically cleaning and strengthening your ocular tissues from the inside out, specifically targeting the breakdown within the lens that causes vision to become opaque. Think about it. Billions are spent every year on eye care that treats symptoms, not the actual issue of a collapsing lens and internal cloudiness. The pharmaceutical industry profits from your recurring need, not from a permanent solution. This is why this ancient natural wisdom has been intentionally buried, keeping you reliant on their products. The moment you understand and apply this simple seed, you'll unlock a path to visual freedom that few ever discover. It empowers your body's natural cleansing mechanisms. The key to this incredible transformation lies in understanding the complex chemistry within this unassuming seed. It's packed with specific phytonutrients, antioxidants, and compounds uniquely suited to penetrating the ocular barrier and actively engaging with the lens at a cellular level. These components don't just support eye health, they are biocatalysts designed to initiate deep cleansing and structural repair, rebuilding the clarity that has been lost. It's like performing a meticulous internal restoration project on your eyes. This particular seed contains rare flavonoids and essential fatty acids in a synergistic blend that directly combats oxidative stress, a primary driver of lens degeneration and clouding. Oxidative stress is essentially rusting your cells, and your eye lens is incredibly vulnerable to this process. The seed's power lies in its ability to disarm these free radicals, preventing further damage while simultaneously encouraging the gentle removal of damaged proteins and cellular debris. This is crucial for reversing the cloudy effect. Furthermore, its unique molecular structure allows it to improve microcirculation within the ocular tissues, ensuring that vital nutrients can reach your lens more effectively, while waste products are efficiently carried away. Imagine better plumbing for your eyes: clearer pathways in, clearer pathways out. This enhanced circulation means your lens gets the nourishment it desperately needs to maintain its transparency and flexibility, which are critical properties for sharp focus and adapting to different distances. Many of you have tried countless remedies, from bilberry supplements to special diets, only to be disappointed. The difference here is the precise combination and potency found naturally within this one seed, specifically tailored by nature to target the intricate dynamics of lens health and toxin removal. It's not a generic eye health booster, it's a specialist. This targeted action is what makes it so incredibly effective compared to generalized approaches. It goes directly to the structural core of the problem. Don't confuse this with popular superfoods. While many are beneficial, none possess the targeted structural support and detoxification power this 20-cent marvel does for the eyes. Its effectiveness isn't about marketing hype, it's about biological precision, working with your body's innate ability to heal. Its active compounds trigger a cascade of regenerative processes that rebuild your lens's protein integrity, the very fabric of its clarity. It's truly astonishing in its simplicity and profound in its results. One of the most profound benefits is its role in counteracting the gradual hardening and opacity of the lens, which is a major contributor to age-related vision decline. As we age, the lens loses flexibility and transparency, much like an old window pane becoming foggy and rigid. The compounds in this seed have been observed to restore a degree of this youthful elasticity and clarity, a genuine structural shift rather than a temporary fix. This is why it works better than simple lubricating drops. The impact isn't just physiological, it's psychological. Think about the joy of recognizing faces across a room, reading fine print effortlessly, or driving at night without fear. These are the life-changing benefits you stand to gain, simply by incorporating this small, inexpensive seed into your daily routine. It returns the power of sharp vision to you, not to an expensive prescription or an invasive procedure. Your brain processes clear signals again, reducing mental fatigue. What makes this even more compelling is its historical use. This isn't a brand new, unproven supplement concocted in a lab. Indigenous cultures have cherished this seed for generations, integrating it into their practices for overall vitality and specifically for maintaining exceptional eyesight deep into old age. Their wisdom, once dismissed by modern medicine, is now being validated by cutting-edge nutritional science, finally revealing the secrets of the seed's profound ocular benefits and how it addresses structural eye issues. So, how exactly do you harness the power of this seed? The process couldn't be simpler, and it costs virtually nothing compared to what you're likely spending now. Consistency is key, but the daily commitment is minimal. There's no complex preparation, no special equipment. This isn't about adding another burden to your day, but integrating a life-enhancing habit with remarkable ease. This convenience is crucial for sustained results and real change. Let's address some common pitfalls. Many people try isolated nutrients or overly processed forms, thinking they'll get the same results. But the magic of this seed is in its whole, unprocessed form, where all its potent compounds work together in perfect synergy. Extracting one component simply doesn't yield the same comprehensive structural repair and detoxification benefits. Purity and wholeness are paramount for activating its full potential to flush out eye toxins. Another mistake is inconsistency. Expecting overnight miracles from any natural solution is unrealistic. Just as lens degradation occurs over years, its gentle, natural reversal requires patience and daily adherence. The cumulative effect of consistent application is where the profound, lasting improvements in clarity and structural integrity truly manifest. Think of it as gently chipping away at the cloudiness over time. Every single day builds towards a clearer future. Furthermore, hydration plays a crucial role alongside this seed. Your eyes, especially the lens, thrive on proper hydration. Combining this natural detoxification method with adequate water intake amplifies its effectiveness, aiding the transport of beneficial compounds and the removal of dislodged toxins. It's a foundational element for all bodily functions, but critically so for maintaining the supple, transparent nature of your lens and optimizing the cloudy vision clearing process. For those concerned about any specific dietary restrictions or allergies, this seed is generally well tolerated. However, as with any natural remedy, a conservative approach and listening to your body are always advisable. But for the vast majority, its natural profile makes it an incredibly safe and gentle path to restoring your vision and addressing the deep-seated structural issues contributing to blurry, cloudy sight. Always start small and observe your own unique response. Now, beyond the simple power of the 20-cent seed itself, consider its synergy with simple daily habits that protect your vision from future structural collapse. Limiting prolonged screen time without breaks, ensuring proper lighting, and protecting your eyes from harsh UV rays are all complementary practices. This seed is your primary offensive weapon against toxins and degradation, but supporting practices form an essential defensive shield. The tragedy is that this life-changing knowledge remains obscure. Eye care professionals, often bound by established protocols and influenced by industry giants, rarely share these natural, inexpensive solutions. It falls to independent researchers and truth seekers like you to discover and implement these profoundly effective methods that work at the core structural level of the lens. It's time to break free from the conventional loop of fleeting relief. This is your opportunity to seize control of your eye health, to reject the myth of inevitable decline, and to embrace a powerful natural solution that actively purges vision-clouding toxins and supports the vital structural integrity of your lens. Don't let fear of the unknown or ingrained skepticism hold you back from experiencing true visual clarity. The solution to cloudy eyes doesn't have to be expensive, complicated, or surgical. Remember, the goal isn't just to see better temporarily. It's to reverse the underlying structural collapse and detoxify your vision for good. This simple 20-cent seed offers a direct path to achieving that. It's a game changer that you can start using today to experience a transformation in your perception of the world. Clear vision is your birthright, not a luxury reserved for the few or a symptom endlessly managed. It's time to invest in a solution that empowers your body's own healing mechanisms and addresses the root cause of blurred vision and lens degeneration. The small commitment required will yield disproportionately massive rewards in visual freedom and overall quality of life. This isn't just an anecdotal tip. It's a systematic approach to detoxifying and rebuilding eye clarity that targets the critical structural collapse of the lens itself. Don't wait until your vision deteriorates further, forcing you into more drastic, expensive, and often ineffective interventions. The sooner you start flushing out these cumulative toxins and supporting your lens's structural integrity, the quicker you'll begin to experience the incredible benefits of a truly clear and vibrant world. The window of opportunity to reverse these effects effectively is now. Act with urgency to secure your sight. Subscribe. Which advice will you start applying today?